Welcome to my series where I try out all of these different makeup looks that I've had saved on my Pinterest board for years. Today, I'm going to try this stunning blue eyeliner. I'm actually going out tonight. I'm a little nervous to wear bright blue eyeliner, but I feel like it'll match the vibe of the place that we're going to in LA. It'll be great. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my base, and now I'm priming my eyelids with P. Louise in the shade Rumor 2. So it doesn't look like she has much eyeshadow on, so I'm just putting Hoola bronzer in my crease as my eyeshadow and kind of all over my lid. Her brows are super fluffy, so I'm just putting this Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter in my brows. For eyeliner, I'm using this blue from Makeup by Mario, and I'm kind of messily drawing out where my wing is going to go. It's kind of not as royal as that color, but it's the closest thing I have. My cat's trying to break through my door. But basically, I'm going to map it out. I have a hooded eye slightly, so I'm only going to extend my wing right to where my lid starts to crease on both sides. And then I'm going to try and connect it. Let's see if I can do this on camera, actually. I'm going to use my... Oh, wow, this is hard. Okay, maybe I'm not going to do this on my phone. Okay, using a mirror is much easier, but I am going to basically draw this line straight into where my crease is. And I'm not really worried about it being too messy because I'm going to clean it up. What I like about this pencil is it comes with this brush, so I'm going to clean it up with this brush once I'm done. Now I can't tell from the photo, but I'm only going to go about halfway, I think, with this line. Like halfway through my iris, I don't know. Now the same on this eye. This one's a little tricky because I'm blind in my left eye, so trying to see if it's symmetrical is a little hard. So I'm just following my natural crease. Is that symmetrical? Kind of. And now I'm just gonna make it thicker and take my line all the way across my lid, but I'm not gonna make it too thick because you'll lose my lid because I have hooded eyes. But so does she, so I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so now that I drew that, to make this kind of smoother, I am going to take the brush end of this liner and kind of smooth out my line. It kind of makes it a little bit more airbrushed. This is like a gel liner, so this is very precise, but again, this is kind of, I'm working with what I've got, but I am liking this so far a lot. Okay, hang on, I'm obsessed. All right, I'm gonna put on some mascara and lip and then show you the final product. I mean, is this a vibe or what? Wow, I sounded 85 years old saying that, but I love this. Hang on, let me get in closer. Wow. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm not a matte lip girl, so I put on a gloss, but I mean, they're not totally symmetrical, but either is my life, so it's fine. Oh my gosh. Yep, I'm doing this again. I love this so much.